See, this is the laptop. This is the one part of it. This is the one part of it, and this is the some keyboard. That backside of the laptop. This is the frame of the monitors, and this is the HCL laptop. You see, this is one of the part of the that is the backside of the display. So see that heat sinks they're provided everywhere. So this is the laptop. Now what we have done, we have separated each part of it. This is the motherboards, and this is the one part of the motherboard's backsides, and this is the display unit. This is the keyboards, and this is the touchpad. This is the RAM. This is the heat sink. Heat sinks to the processor. This is DVD unit. This is the DVD unit. So everything, if you see, and this is the hard disk. This is the hard disk. So you see that every part of which is removed and put totally. Laptops are each parts of each removed, and the battery is also there. Battery is lying this side. See, this is the battery. So, and this is the, you can see all of the parts of it. Thank you. This is Dinesh here.